Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to activate your E-Pass transponder. We will also put useful links for your vehicle in the description below. To start, open the website cfxway.com, then click on E-Pass Login. Now log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the page. Click on Activate E-Pass. Now, enter the transponder number on the provided field. Next, select a payment method, either a credit card or bank payment. In this case, we will pay using a credit card. Select the option you wish to use, then enter the payment information. After that, click on the button that says Activate Transponder. That's how you activate your E-Pass transponder. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.